Now we're going to switch gears to Dupilumab, which we all know and love. And so, as you all know, it's a recombinant monoclonal antibody that binds to the IL-4 receptor alpha and really targets type 2 inflammation. And so you might think, why you don't really think about type 2 inflammation with Pemphigoid, but really there's an overproduction, we know, of type 2 cytokines in bullous pemphigoid patients, and you can find increased IL-4 and IL-13 in the serum and the blister fluid, so highly relevant. The Th2 cells themselves stimulate B cell proliferation, so it's really a crosstalk between the T cells and the B cells, and it really contributes to the recruitment and activation of eosinophils. So the bottom line here is that type 2 inflammation is highly correlated with disease activity in these patients. And so there are more and more case reports of Dupilumab being used in pemphigoid. This is some real world data, some of the largest cohort we have published. This was a multi-center retrospective cohort study out of China of 146 patients. And most of these patients had moderate to severe activity, but you can see a response rate of 87%. And I think what's most incredible here is how quickly patients got control of disease activity. So it says control of disease activity in 4 weeks, but the median time was 14 days. So that is really amazing for these patients. And there is an ongoing clinical trial that is wrapped up enrollment and data analysis phase here. And they did release kind of their first-line results of their data at 36 weeks, which was the endpoint. And we're very excited because the primary endpoint was met, which was sustained disease remission at 36 weeks. In the interest of time, I have to go through this quickly, but we are very excited that this drug may be available soon for us, because I know for a lot of us it's hard to get for our patients. So I think the safety profile of Dupilumab is really going to be amazing for this older patient population.